Good morning, Mazi. Welcome. And let me say thank you for coming on this program. Recently, the Oni of Ife was advocating that Yoruba and Igbo, what I mean is Biafra and Odua, should try and come together. That is something about them that ties them together, culturally and traditionally. Why is it that the Oni of Ife, Oni of Ife, the current Adeyeye, is always talking about this thing, Yoruba and Igbo coming together? Like, the Fere is asking for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. So a lot of people, why is it anything that you think is the reason why Oni of Ife is saying that Yoruba and Igbo should come together?
It's supposed. If there is a unity between the Igbos and the Yorubas, but my take here is this: that can't work. Why? Because these two regions are not in the same page. These two regions are not in the same page. So with that, I don't think these two regions coming together can work out. It can work out.
Do you think that if Nigeria break, that it looks like the Yorubas or the Igbos are going to miss each other? Is that what you're trying to look at?
No, not necessarily missing each other. The Igbos, in their nature, they are business people. If you check, even the presently as we speak, Igbos are everywhere. It does not matter whether Biafra come or not. Say maybe probably there will be no Igbo man in Lagos. There will be no Igbo man in Ondo. They are everywhere. Their business are everywhere. So that is the character and the nature of an Igbo man. So that's how it is.
This negotiation about Nnamdi Kanu, how did you see it, sir?
Who is talking about negotiation? Question.
Question. Tinubu is trying to initiate it so that
question goes like this.
Okay.
We should leave all these hungry politicians. Question goes: have you heard from the source's mouth? Because I watch his last court appearance of his interview with a journalist. The journalist was trying to put word into his mouth. And my leader, in person of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, quickly squeezed that word and threw it away by asking that that there is an information that himself is calling for a negotiation. Then my Mazi Nnamdi Kanu response was that can be because Nigerian government went extra mile for him, and perhaps he's here. So that he will not be the one to decide for Nigerian government that as long as he's under their net, that they should do whatever they want to do with him, and that was his own stand. Then not quite 24 hours from there, Abaribe begin to jump a skater. Okay, I don't know how you know this politician Abaribe. We love him. We don't want anything to happen to him, but he should not take the love that we give to him granted, that and so on and so forth. So you should be very careful. You should take clear from this struggle. This struggle that you are seeing, Nnamdi Kanu have been detained unjust. And we all keep quiet and we are watching. Through this struggle, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has lost everything. So if Abaribe were to be in the shoe of Nnamdi Kanu, he will start looking for a Yoruba musician called Ebenezer Obey to come and beat drum so that making begin dance. That is what he's telling us. So question goes like this. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has not uttered any words. Rather, this the politicians, after collecting money from Tinubu and start setting bad information. So Abaribe should be very careful. For God's sake, that is not our stand. You cannot detain Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from 2015 and release him under a court. Then why he was waiting in Afaruku, waiting for the date, for the court to resume. Then the Nigerian government deployed military to go and kill him, and he survived it. Then this second time, the same thing. From is it 2021 till date? Oga, we need justice, not just to release Nnamdi Kanu. This is what we are talking about. As it is, Nigerian government cannot release Nnamdi Kanu and say go home. No, it's not done that way. All of us are human beings. Check. As a woman, before you pinch somebody, first of all pinch yourself. So if he pains you, don't try to pinch others. So this young man cannot suffer all that in detention. Then you are now coming under the disguise of say, let us sit and talk. Talk what? What are you going to talk? With the talk that you are calling for, will you bring the fathers of Nnamdi Kanu, which Nigerian government key? Will he bring back his mother alongside with 28 people? So please, this Senator Abaribe should be very careful. Should stay clear from this matter.
Thank you. Lastly, sir. Lastly, sir, as it stands now, Nnamdi Kanu, why is it that suddenly we are seeing politicians saying that Nnamdi, everybody is saying, all the whole world is saying, release him. Does it mean that releasing him is going to break Nigeria, or is releasing him, is going to make him, the factor to decide Nigeria? Because it looks as if everything is built around him, or Tinubu is trying to use him, to negotiate 2027. So that since he has seen that definitely they not, want to give him a red card in case he want to go for second term.
It's not even about Tinubu. Tinubu has sold his hand inside the detention that you are seeing. Tinubu has collected money from UK government. That is why as he come on board, he was supposed to let go, but he decided to inherit the handworks of Buhari, and we shall see how the end is going to end. So as it is, Nnamdi Kanu has stayed long in detention. It's just like if you read what one the statement he issued sometime, I think was it yesterday, that releasing Nnamdi Kanu under a political solution will not solve the insecurity in the east. You listen him without a referendum, he can't work. So if you are talking about release Nnamdi Kanu, then release him and give him a referendum for we to decide whether we want to be Nigeria or not. But outside that, the Nigerian government is calling for an anarchy. So that's my take.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.